The initiative is the Little Library project that happened in the Waikato District Council area. We undertook a project to install a few little libraries in some of our towns, Huntly, Ngaro, Wahea. I think we ended up with nearly 50 little libraries right across the district in the towns, villages and our rural areas. But to do the project we needed partners. Spring Hill made the whole complete library, including the stands. They created all the artwork on each little library, and fantastic artwork. We went to Spring Hill and we engaged with their staff and also with the prison inmates. Because to do this we wanted them to feel valued about the project, and we weren't just going to say, here's some timber, make us this, we're going to put in our communities. We wanted to add value for the people in the community and the people at Spring Hill Prison. We partnered with City Care. We partnered with, like I said, all the community committees, 22 of them in our rural areas, men's sheds, community houses, community boards. It was a project that 3 years, I think 3 years from woe to go to create these little libraries.